Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to edit a in-studio business headshot. So this is our business headshot, this is before and this is after, and I'm going to show you how we got to that. So if you're new to editing, you can come over to the develop module. You can click auto for a good starting point. I kind of eye it up. I'm going to hit reset and show you what I do here. So I can tell it's a little underexposed, which is typically how I shoot in the studio to retain a little bit of my color. But I'm just going to pull my exposure up a little bit. And I'm going to use my histogram here. So I can see this triangle on the histogram that is lit up. That means that I am what we call clipped. I have a little too much of blacks, maybe highlights, something going on here. Whenever I click on this portion, I can see it's black, so I'm just going to push it over until that triangle is empty. The reason that's important is for a print. If that square is lit up, your photo is going to be a little too dark for a print. Might look good on your computer, but print-wise, it's going to be a little bit too dark. Every computer screen is different, so that histogram comes in very handy. On the other hand, if our triangle on the right is lit up, let me show you what that looks like. You can tell you're overexposed. So I'm just going to hit edit undo. You just want to make sure you're somewhere right in the middle here. So I've did my quick color adjustment. Noise reduction, I'm going to run a little bit of noise reduction on that. That's under the Details tab. And next thing I'm going to do under the Transform tab, I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit. I'm going to check mark Constrain Crop and click Auto. And then I'm also going to use my Crop and Straighten just to blend this in a little bit. Okay, now I know we've talked about pre-cropping photos. A general rule, you don't do a lot of pre-cropping. With business headshots I do, unless the customer asked for it pre-cropped or not cropped, you want to send it over probably the way they're going to upload it. Okay, so we've cropped that in a little bit, did a little straightening. Last thing we're going to do is add just a little vignette so your subject pops out just a little bit. And there you go. There's how you edit an in-studio business headshot.